In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a grid in Photoshop. We'll build a clean, reusable grid pattern and apply it to any document so you can control spacing and line thickness with ease. Let's start by creating the pattern tile. Go to File and choose New. Give your document a name so you can find it later. Set the units to inches, the width to 10, the height to 10, and the resolution to 300. Keeping the background content transparent makes the pattern versatile over photos or colored backgrounds. Click Create to open the canvas. Next, turn on your rulers so you can place precise guides. Head up to View and select Rulers. Click and drag from the top ruler to drop a horizontal guide, and from the left ruler to drop a vertical guide. Position them right in the center of the canvas so they intersect, marking the middle. This will be where your grid lines cross. Now, select the Line tool. In the Options bar, set the color to black and adjust the weight to the thickness you want for your grid lines. Thicker weights create bold grids, thinner weights keep it subtle. Hold Shift to keep the line perfectly straight and drag a vertical line right down the center guide. Then, still holding Shift, drag a horizontal line across the center guide. You now have a single cross that will repeat to form your grid. With the cross in place, go to Edit and choose Define Pattern. Give your pattern a clear name and click OK. That saves this tile as a reusable pattern. Open a new document of any size to apply the grid. In the Layers panel, add a new fill layer, then choose Pattern. Click OK to create it. In the Pattern Fill settings, open the drop-down and select the grid you just defined. You'll immediately see the grid repeat across your canvas. If the grid looks too tight or too loose, click Snap to Origin to align it cleanly with the canvas, then adjust the scale slider. Lower percentages make smaller squares, higher percentages make larger squares. Feel free to experiment until the spacing looks right for your design. If the lines appear a bit soft at certain sizes, try slightly different scale values for a crisper result. When you're happy with the look, click OK. You now have a flexible grid you can toggle, resize, and reuse in any project. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.